celebrity chef Monica Pope has wanted to change the way Houstonians eat. So down at Beaver's Ice House, she showed us her personal take on Texas classics. It's inevitable, you're going to have the hardest time choosing what to order here. There's so many interesting and tempting choices. We ended up going with the barbecue platter, the brisket loaded barbecue mac and cheese, and a killer apple miso salad with Brussels sprouts. Fun cocktail menu, and you'll know what I'm talking about when you get here. Our favorites are the Grape Expectations and the Pricky Ricky, and make sure you leave room for the bread pudding of the day and the beaver balls.